There's a specific type of person who wants to publish their book on Amazon, but there's something holding them back. And it's not lack of information, it's not lack of knowledge. They've done all the research, they have the manuscript ready, it's edited, formatted, sometimes sitting completed on their hard drive. And it's not that they're lazy, it's something much deeper. And these are some of the most prepared people in the room. And some of them are prepared more than people who have already published 10 books. And that sounds like a contradiction, but it's not. And that's the whole point. Because what's stopping them is nothing external, it's something internal. And today, we're gonna talk about that. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's Mackie here, and this is the Publishing Academy YouTube channel. And our goal is simple. It's to give you the best free information so you can start making money with publishing today. And then when you're ready, you can work with me and my team, and we can help you grow that into a $10, $20, $30, $40, or $50,000 a month businesses like our students have. So today I wanted to talk about something that I've seen a lot over the 10 years that I've been doing this Amazon KDP thing. And it's, for lack of better words, the analysis paralysis trap. So I'm going to talk about a few different stages and a few different ways to get over this analysis paralysis, or whatever you want to call it, because it can go by many names, but it's all the same thing. You know you should be doing something, but you're freaked out for whatever reason, and so you don't get it done. And I honestly think that the first time that this really can start showing up, it's during the research phase, like the niche research phase, trying to figure out, what am I going to publish my book on? And remember, if you're brand new to the channel, we don't publish books on what we feel like. We publish books on what will make us money. And so this is a much more real thing for a lot of people going through the publishing process, because they're trying to ensure that they're going to get the highest ROIs possible when they publish their books. They have to make sure that they publish a book in a niche or on a topic that's already proven to make money. And a lot of beginners, myself included, can get stuck at this stage trying to ensure, how do I know what's the best niche to publish in? How do I figure out, is this book going to make money or not? And there's one simple thing, one thing that you can do that will fix this, and it's just publish your book anyways. See, you can do all the research, you can analyze niche, analyze competition, you can do all of that over and over again. But until you actually say, I'm going to publish in this, and you publish the book and you start getting the results or lack of results, you'll never actually know. The perfect niche doesn't exist. And for you, identifying what the perfect niche is for you to publish in right now, it's pretty much impossible until you've published 10, 20, or 30 books down the road. And yes, that will happen over the next 12 to 18 to 24 to 36 months. Your best option to figure out, does this niche work or not, is to publish books in the niche. Because by publishing your books, that is going to give you the actual concrete data of, did this niche work or not? Now, the second thing that people run into, publishing the perfect book. Now you've got the niche, you finally made the decision to pick a niche, but now my book has to be perfect. This book has to be absolutely perfect. And this is where your title takes 2 weeks, your cover takes a month, formatting takes 2 months, and before you know it, you've wasted 7 or 8 months creating the perfect book, only to find out perfect books don't sell. Published books sell. I have seen this time and time again with people. And it usually happens within your first 1 to 5 books. Perfect books are not what make you money in this business. Published books are. So you don't want to take months, weeks, months, perfecting your title, perfecting your cover, perfecting your manuscript, all of that, because it won't make a difference. What makes a difference is you publishing the book, getting the data, the results from it, and then seeing, oh, why did this work? Why didn't this work? What could I improve on? Oh, I could improve on this. Oh man, all right. Put that note down for my next one. That's the only way of doing this. Like, there is no magic formula of how to publish a perfect book to guarantee it to sell, right? Down the road, you'll figure out how to publish books that are like pretty much guaranteed to make money. That is an advanced thing that you learn from something called experience. But in the beginning, you just got to publish books, because the more books you publish, the better you're going to get at all of the processes that are involved in publishing the book that help the book make money and turn it into the quote unquote perfect book. Now, the other psychological barrier is when it's published, it's real, and failure is not an option. Yeah, that's right. If you've published a book, you've put yourself out there, right? And now it's like, oh man, did this actually work? Am I good enough to do this? Failure is now a real option. But before you publish, before you hit publish, nobody knows if you're gonna do this online thing. Nobody's actually seeing you fail, right? Your mommy, your dad, your friend, your sister, your bro, whoever, all the naysayers who's like, oh no, it's a scam. No, you can't make money online. They're not right yet. But as soon as you hit publish, now the chance of them being right is realer than rain. And this is one of the biggest things that stops people from doing this business properly, because they're worried about what other people are going to say or think. And I can tell you, there is nothing sweeter than proving those people wrong. But how do you prove them wrong? You keep publishing books until you prove them wrong, until you make it work. You don't publish one book, because reality is your first book's probably not going to do great. Your second book will do a little better, but nothing that you're going to want to be shouting on social media about. Your third book, you'll be like, all right, now I'm starting to see this. 5, 6 books in though, all of a sudden you don't even worry about what people are thinking, because you see it starting to add up. By the time you've published 10 books, all of a sudden your lifestyle we're not taking yachts or first class, but money is not as big of an issue. You're investing a bit more into the business. And by the time that you're making enough where you could be shouting from the rooftops, I told you so, you don't even care anymore, because you've grown above that. If you want to publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating your book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. And to show you how simple this is, my 10-year-old daughter has even published her own book using this exact same framework.
Actually, Daddy, I promised free.
You're also going to get my free support group, and you're going to get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the SKOOL group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now. The next one we're going to talk about is the comparison analysis. And oh boy, I used to struggle with this. And all it is, it's comparing your first book to somebody else's 50th. You're like, Mecca, why would I ever do that? That's what we do all the time. It's publishing your first book and it's comparing it with the top selling books in the space. And you're like, I've done everything better, but why is their book still selling? Well, because they also published 30 other books you don't know about. And so this book that they published, they probably did a whole bunch of things on it that you can't see, but are actually making it sell way better. And the only comparison you should be doing in terms of results, like, yes, you should compare it a little bit to results of your competitors, 100%. But does your second book perform better than your first? And then does your third outperform the first 2 combined? And then does your 5th blow them all away combined? Like, that is the only comparison you should be making. That every single book you publish is better than the last couple books you've published yourself. That is the only comparison that matters. And that is the comparison that will continue to help you move forward faster than comparing it to a pen name that you have no idea how many books they've actually published. All right, now this next one is a bit more of a technical one, right? But I believe it's the worst possible thing you can do. And it's, hey, I'm just gonna start with low content books to learn the publishing process. Like, if you want stupid, this is stupid. This is a dumb idea. The amount of effort you have to put into a low content and a high content book are equal. The only difference between low and high content is high content makes you a lot more money. That's it. The effort is the same. The research, the same. The stress level, the same. The only difference is you get paid way more for high content than you do low content. That's it. That's the only difference. So why would you waste your time with low content books? It doesn't make any sense. And so when I see people like, they're like, yeah, I think I'm gonna publish a couple low content books to learn things first. What the hell are you gonna learn? How to not make money? Like, you gotta learn how to do research. You gotta learn how to put a book together. You gotta learn how to order a cover. You gotta learn how to publish the book, okay? So you could have done that all with high content and for the exact same price. And you're not going to learn ads because there's no margin with low content. So you're not learning ads properly because you can't, but you can with high content. There's 0 cents to start with low content. 0 whatsoever. There's none. Learn with high content. It will just help you reach the financial goal or whatever goal it is that you want faster. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is caution versus fear. Look, spending 2 months to do niche research, you're not being cautious, you're being stupid. Spending 2 weeks doing proper niche customer research, that is smart. That's being cautious, okay? So there is a difference to this. I'm a very, very conservative publisher. I like to play it safe. I'm just more comfortable with playing it safe when it comes to my business. And so we cross the T's and dot the I's. You know, we have very strict systems in place to ensure that everything's done to ensure the health and safety of our account and to ensure that we're not going to waste money and we're getting the highest ROI possible. But if we're spending, you know, a month or 2 doing a cover, there's something wrong. So you need to take that into account through your processes. Like, how long are you spending on certain aspects of the business, right? Caution versus fear. All right, now, if you want the easiest way of getting started, if you want me to guide you step by step, hold your hand through all the couple different steps, I got something for you. It's called the 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. So in this, it's a free video course. I'm not going to charge you for it. You don't have to put your credit card down or anything. It's a free video course where I will show you how to go and choose a topic and then how to write a book and then how to publish the book and then how to profit from the book all in 3 days. It's really, really, really straightforward. It's laid out and it's 100% free. The reason I have this for you is because I don't want you to be stuck thinking publishing's a big deal. Publishing's a hard thing to do. It's not. It's not. There's people way stupider than you making a lot of money in this business. They just first published their books. They went through the 3-day challenge. They hit publish. So I encourage you, click the link in the description. Let me show you how to do this business for free. Please, let me help you put more profits in your pockets. Till next time, everybody, I'm Ameta. Peace. The amount of effort you have to put into a low content and a high content book are equal. It's the same. It's just, it's different, but it's the same. Why do I feel like there's a different?
Same, but different. But still same.